Don't tell me time doesn't matter. We are born with a timestamp that reads 0. We don't do much. Eat, sleep, diaper change, and repeat. And it reads 2 years. Learn our ABCs, build Legos, and come home from school to a warm meal. And of course, we can't forget homework. And it reads 7 years. Join a sport, make new friends, and PlayStation time. 12 years. The drama of high school. Paying attention to how we look, a driver license, and a part-time job. It reads 18 years. University. Pulling all-nighters. Graduation day. Got your first real job. 22 years. Making money, getting married, buying your first home, and your first baby. And it reads 27 years. Rising up the corporate ladder. 4 kids, and lots of vacation. 40 years. Getting old. Your body doesn't seem functioning like it used to, and more doctor visits. And it reads 60 years. And yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin. It was once said, if you want to value a year, ask a student that failed a school year what a year means to him. If you want to value a month, ask a mother who delivered a premature baby if a month doesn't matter. That month means a lot to that mother. If you want to value a week, ask a person who's in charge of a magazine or a newspaper company that comes out weekly. Each day to that person is a deadline. If you want to appreciate a day, ask a stockbroker that held through a market crash if a day doesn't matter. If you want to value a minute, ask a person who just missed his flight by a minute. That minute means a lot to that person. If you want to appreciate a second, ask a person who just got out of an accident. That second could have cost him his life. If you want to appreciate a millisecond, ask a person who's in the Olympics. They lost gold because of a millisecond. Don't tell that person a millisecond doesn't matter. Allah is constantly reminding us to pay attention to time. He swears by time throughout the Quran. Pay attention to the phenomenon of the alternation between night and day. People say, I have a couple of hours to kill. So, they busy themselves with mediocre activities to kill time. A wise man once said, I wish I could go to the corner of the street and take off my hat and ask people, if you have an extra minute, please put it here. If you have an extra hour, please put it here, because I can utilize it better. But we know that's not possible. Living in an ever-changing, ever-evolving technological world designed to save us time. But the real question is, where is the time we saved? Fakhr al-Razi once was walking in the market and heard a man calling, come buy from me, I am selling time. Al-Razi thought to himself, what a fool. How do you sell time? As he got closer to the man was getting louder and louder. Oh people, buy from me, I am selling time. When he got to him, he seen that he was selling ice. Only then did Al-Razi understand the value of time. Take benefit of 5 before 5, as the Prophet ﷺ said. Your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before you are preoccupied, and your life before your death. Time can be an ally or an enemy. What it becomes depends entirely upon you, your goals, and your determination to use every available minute.